Today we're unboxing 4 of the biggest beauty advent calendars of the year, and we're starting with the least expensive all the way to the most luxurious. But before we dive in, here's a tiny fun fact. The very first advent calendars actually started in Germany over 100 years ago. It was custom for families to use little daily rituals like candles or tiny pictures to count down to Christmas. Then a German printer came up with the business idea of using paper calendars with doors that you could open, and people became obsessed. I really wish it was my idea. Fast forward to now, and apparently the surprises have leveled up to full-on beauty treats. Let's start with Sephora Collection. Now, Sephora Collection actually has 3 different beauty advent calendars, but I went all the way with the premium makeup and skincare one. Nothing but the best for you. They say it's packed with 24 days of their best sellers. You're getting a mix of full sizes and deluxe minis across makeup, skincare, hair, and tools. We will see about that. 1. Matte lip color in red. 2. Micellar cleansing water. 3. Beauty sponge. 4. Cleansing skin gel. Oh my gosh, why is this so fun? This is like every kid's dream. 5. Mini eyeshadow brush. What are other people thinking about this? I ordered this for stocking stuffers and was so disappointed in their choices of products. Definitely would not order again. Honestly, so far I think that it's pretty good. Micellar water, super handy. Red liquid lipstick, super cute for the holidays. Maybe they get more disappointing with time. 6. Lip gloss. Ooh. 7. Nail polish. This is a very practical color. I actually love it. 8. Face mask. 9. Another liquid lipstick. 10. Moisturizer. It's so funny because I did a Sephora advent calendar unboxing a couple of years ago, and one thing that I noticed is that there were so many negative reviews. Way more negative reviews than positive reviews. People love to hate this, yet it is literally always sold out. Like, look at this one. Crap. Not what I expected for the price. There are better options out there. What did you expect? I just feel like it's gotta get crappier. Oh. That's delightful. Gingerbread flavored night sleeping mask. I want this one. I want this one. Oh, speaking of wanting this one, you're probably wondering, what do you mean? You have all of them. I forgot to tell you that I'm only allowing myself to keep 5 total things from this entire haul, and the rest of these goodies are going to you. I am doing a Christmas party live stream and doing epic giveaways where you can actually choose what you want. So all of these things will be out. You'll see them on my Instagram. Follow me there if you haven't already. I'm doing a giveaway every 10 minutes. There's gonna be 6 giveaways or more, okay, on December 13th at 6 p.m. So be there because it's going to be really fun. And the 5 things that I'm keeping are going in my treasure keepsake box that I made yesterday. 12. Black eyeliner. 13. Mascara. Oh God, this one is crappy, I gotta admit. 14, fuzzy keychain puffy thing that you can hang, I don't know. 15, top coat. What is this? Oh my God, I can't. 16, that's a furry hair clip. Why, Sephora? Why? You were off to such a good start. Maybe I'm too old to get it. Is there like a fuzzy hair clip trend? Like, what is this? If you're younger than me, please tell me, is this a thing now? See, look at this review. Honestly, I felt ripped off. It wasn't cheap, and the only thing in it worth it was the eye cream. Spoiler alert, there's an eye cream coming. 17, another face mask. This sounds like the eye cream. No, it's not. It's not. 18, lip butter. I'm putting this in my Keep It treasure box. What can I say? I'm a sucker for hydrating lip products. 19, gentle peeling serum. 20, highlighter. Oh, 21, the eye cream, ladies and gentlemen. I kind of want this. Let's just put it in. We can decide later. Let's just put it in. 22, color shifter eyeshadow palette. This is full size. They're shifter toppers that you can use alone or mix to other shades to transform their colors and effects. I'm gonna pop that in there. We're just gonna pop that in there. I feel like we're upping the ante now that we're getting close to Christmas because we're on day 23. 23, makeup setting spray. 24, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Really? Sephora, come on. Who designed day 24? 24, blush. Was it worth it? So we spent a long time calculating the cost of these products, okay, to let you know if this is actually worth it or not. So it claims to be worth $245. The cost of it is $95. But if we calculate how much each product is actually sold for individually, the actual total calculation is $256, which is more than what it says it claims to be worth. So they're not lying. It's actually worth more than they say it's worth. Is it worth it? It just depends on whether or not you like these products. I would love to have received this as a gift. Next up is the Charlotte Tilbury limited edition Beauty Secrets calendar. They say you are getting 12 days. So it's 12, it's a little less here, but you are still getting 12 days of Charlotte's award-winning icons, makeup, skincare, glow products, and 5 of the 12 are full size. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, it's worth it for this box alone. Look at these little knobs. Full-size lip liner in Pillow Talk Medium. This is a classic. This is a viral lip liner. 2, cleanser. 3, full-size lip gloss in Pillow Talk. We're just gonna put that right there. Full-size eyeliner in Barbarella Brown. We're not even halfway yet, and I want this too. I love a good brown liner. 5, full-size Exaggerize mascara. Everything is full size right now. Well, I guess the cleanser isn't full size, but everything else. 6, mini lipstick in color Walk of No Shame. Oh, it's so pretty too. 7, Charlotte's Magic Cream. I had a full-size one of these that I purchased that I used from the beginning to the end. You'll be happy whoever wins it. 8, Highlighting Beauty Wand in color Pillow Talk. 9, Magic Serum Mini. 10, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I already have this too. This is actually the setting spray I'm wearing in this video. This is gorgeous. 11, lip liner again, but in the color Walk of No Shame. Here's another review. Yikes, this is disappointing compared to previous years. There aren't even any compacts in this. I love these, but won't be buying this year. It's a total letdown. Girl! Okay, the no compact thing I get because Charlotte Tilbury makes amazing eyeshadows with really beautiful color stories, but there are some staples in here. I mean, this is a great product. This is a great product. This is a product I use every single day. Each their own, I guess. To each their own. Drawer 12. Mini lipstick in the color Icon Baby. Oh my God, this is such a nice color too. Charlotte just knows. Oh, I want this too. My clients would love this. Let's just put it in here for now. I'll take stuff out. I'll take stuff out. So the real question, was it worth it? The actual cost is $220. It claims to be worth $305, and the total calculation is actually $324. So this is actually worth more than it claims to be worth as well. Just like the first one, that is shocking. The companies didn't exaggerate the worth. That's pretty crazy. Next up is MAC Cosmetics. This retails for $245, so it's super pricey, but it's one that actually sounds pretty impressive. Apparently, there are a lot of full-size products in here, plus some minis, so let's see. Oh my God, she's cool. One full-size lipstick in the color Modesty. Oh my gosh, this is a gorgeous lipstick. I could really use a lip color like this. No, there's more than 5, don't judge me. 2, cream eyeshadow in the color Taupe It Off. 3, eye serum. 4, full-size lip liner in the color Cool Spice. 5, gel eyeliner in black. 6, lip primer. There's so many full-size products. 7, lip gloss in the shade Love Child. What is this gorgeous mascara? 8, mascara. 9, gua sha. 10, eyeshadow in the color Espresso. 11, full-size lippy in the color Syrup. 12, mini serum. This is a miniature-sized mini. 13, lashes. Kind of over the lash life right now. I haven't really been wearing lashes. 14, lip gloss. This is an OG lip gloss. I used to wear this every day when I was like 19. 15, full-size lip liner in the color Soar. This is actually my favorite lip liner in my favorite color of all time. I already have it, so you can have it, but it's great. Especially nice for medium toned skin. 16, full-size lipstick in the color Forever Curious. 17, strobe cream in the color Pink Light. 18, cream to foam cleanser. 19, liquid liner. Another classic, you guys. 20, full-size lipstick in the color Russian Red. Literally a staple, a MAC staple. 21, eyeshadow in the shade All That Glitters. 22, moisturizer. This is another little mini. Oh, I see what they did. Serum, moisturizer, eye, and cleanser all in minis. Actually, this makes a cute little travel set. Gel pad. If you're wondering what this is, when you're doing your eye makeup, before you do your foundation and stuff, you put on your eye cream or your eye serum or whatever. It allows the serum or the moisturizer to deeply absorb and hydrate the under eye area, and it kind of plump it before you do makeup on top of it. It actually works. 24. Oh, what's this? Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick. Like Squirt. What? That's an interesting name. MAC has been getting kind of like controversial.
Hi, I'm Martha Stewart. What gets me in the nude? I'm Martha Stewart, and I only wear MAC.
I don't know what this is really, but it's so weird and so obnoxiously bright. You know where it's going. So was it worth it? Was it worth it? This is an expensive advent calendar, okay? The actual cost was $245 US. That's $331 Canadian, okay? So $245 US. It claims to be worth $498. The total calculation was $529. So again, actually quite a bit more than what they say it's claimed to be worth. Round of applause for MAC. Great advent calendar, truly some great stuff in there. Last but certainly not least, the most expensive advent calendar of the year, Typology. This retails for a whopping $279.90. They say you get 13 full-size items plus 13 new additions. So let's have a go. I gotta say, very pretty. It feels very high-end, if you know what I mean. I love the simplicity of Typology's branding. It just stands out. 1, micellar water. Oh, it's a box in a box. 2, face moisturizer. This is the D41 face moisturizer, to be exact. 3, serum for dark circles and bags. I have dark circles and bags. I do. 4, mini hydrating serum. 5, this is the purifying moisturizer, L41. 6, organic peppermint. This smells insane. I wish we had smell-o-vision, because this is something else. Love peppermint. It's gonna be really hard. It's gonna be really hard. I can't even close it anymore. 7, targeted blemish serum. 8, soothing serum. So one thing that I did notice in the reviews when I was looking into it is that there are a lot of reviews that say that there are too many serums, like this one. Too many serums. I wanted to try more makeup products and was hoping there were more lip oils or similar cosmetics. That was an ongoing review. Let's see if there's more serums. 9, radiance serum. 10, restorative hair serum. Why? 11, mark fading serum. Here we go. 12, lip mask. 13, cleansing balm. It's a little bar of soap. Why do I think it's so cute? Why do I want this little bar of soap? 14, radiance mask. 15, even complexion serum. Why, Typology? Why? Trying to defend you, but the people are right. 16, mascara. 17, lash and brow serum. 18, eye cream for dark circles and bags. 19, redness color corrector. This is actually great. I love this. I use it all the time on clients. 20, lip oil in the color black cherry. Another beautiful product. So we're getting good. I gotta show you that even though there are a lot of like negative reviews about the serum, there are also a lot of like glowing reviews like this one. Even if the price isn't cheap, it's the most cost-effective purchase I've made. The quality, quantity, price ratio is excellent. Since I started using my Typology routine, I've never had such beautiful skin. I don't regret it at all. There you have it. 21, firming botanical blend. 22, glow drops. We're almost there. Oh, this is so nice. 23, coral orange lip oil. I love these lip oils and I don't have coral orange and I love coral lip colors. 24, lipstick in the color rosewood pink. That's nice too. I'm realizing the pattern here that I'm really into lipsticks right now. I have filled my treasure box with lipstick, haven't I? Was it worth it? The actual cost is $279.90. It claims to be worth $616.41, a whopping $600. But is it worth it? Is it worth that much? It's actually not. Believe it or not, this is the first one that isn't worth what it says it's worth. It's actually worth $588.38, which is still super expensive. You're paying $279, so you're still getting a great deal, but it's less than what it says it's worth. Just as a heads up, okay? But it's still worth way more than what you're paying for. So if you love Typology products, you want to try a whole range of the line and you're okay getting a lot of serums, it's worth it. These calendars have been surprisingly worth it. Okay, I have to narrow down my treasure box. So the final selection for my Christmas treasure box is the Typology lip, the Typology peppermint, the MAC lip gloss. I don't know why I'm saying it with sadness in my eyes. I just want so many other things. MAC lipstick in syrup and the lip liner in cool spice. I need a cool spicy liner, okay? I do. That's it. That's all I'm keeping. And this is all going to you. I'm putting the live stream date on the screen. I can't wait to see you there. This is gonna be incredibly epic, and so many of you are gonna win so many things. I just cannot wait. Wear your Christmas jammies or an ugly Christmas sweater because we are having a Christmas party. Up next on the channel, if you wanna know whether L'Oreal is still the very best brand at the drugstore, watch this video. Or if you want to keep exploring, check out what YouTube recommends for you right here. I'll see you over there.